Hi you guys, welcome to another Mom's Beautiful Strands, and today I'm doing a DIY. It's part 2 of part 1 and 2, and in part 1 I did a treatment and ear treatment, and part 2 I am doing aloe vera gel. This is my version of it. So let's get into the video. I already cut off both sides of the ends of the aloe vera, and I get my aloe vera from Walmart. It's $1.99. I cut it in the middle. I used half of it for the treatment and the other half for the gel, and this half I'm doing the gel because this is the gel video. And I just peel the ends of both sides and all the way down, and then I am going to cut it in the center, but first I am going to cut it in 4 pieces, and I am going to cut it in the center now. And try to do it as centered as possible because you want equal meat on it. That would be best. That way you can have equal scraping on each side, if that makes any sense. Now you get a bowl, and now you're gonna get a jagged edge knife and just use it and rub on the side of it, like scraping motion, and you just scrape until every last one is finished. And I am going to fast forward this part, you guys, because it's going to be a lot of repetition after this. All right, so after I scoop the gel in the bowl, that's pretty much what I'm going to do for all the pieces. So I am going to fast forward the video and be back when I'm finished. All right. Okay, you guys, I finished scraped all the jelly part of the aloe vera, and now I'm gonna clean up a little, clear up some of the things off the table, starting with the board. I don't need that anymore, so I'm putting it to the side and get a bowl to put the juice in, to strain the juice in, and put the scraps to the side. Everything can be centered so you guys can see the rest of what I'm doing. I am going to pour the aloe vera, the scraped aloe vera juice into the strainer in the bowl, and now I'm going using the spoon to dissolve it into the bowl from the strainer, and you see all that slime, like beautiful gooey goodness, if that makes any sense. Like, it looks so gel like. That's why they call it aloe vera gel, you know. So yes, I'm trying to get everything out of there, because this, see how thick it is. I have to be like pressing it against the strainer so all of it can be brought out into the bowl. And it's so slimy, you guys, which is good, you know, because my hair needs all this protein, moisture. You know, my hair is so dry, so I definitely need it. And you get every last one. That's you get some of the segments from the aloe vera gel that's in the strainer, and you have to just, you know, make sure, waste not want not. I am adding it, just throwing it into another mixer that I have set aside, the bowl for the individual mixer, yeah, because I'm not gonna discard it. And now I am going to, that's what it looks like. It's all gel. And now I'm going to add some natural oils, castor oil, like a tablespoon, and I'm going to add also tea tree oil, another teaspoon. That was castor oil, and teaspoon of tea tree oil, and also coconut oil, another teaspoon. And that's pretty much, you know, obviously you have to add turn the bottle the other way, olive oil, and any oil you can, you know, get your hands on is good. Any oil, almond oil, peppermint oil, rosemary oil, any oil that you have on hand. So that's good. And you just stir it in so everything is evenly blended, and that's about it. And the concoction I have in the spray bottle is the treatment that I already finished. I did a video on that already. You guys should check it out. And thanks for joining me on Psalm's Beautiful Strands and how I made my aloe vera gel. Until next time, have a good one.